So this video, I'll be showing you how to get this makeup look of this fall edition 2019 makeup look, dark vampy lip. Who loves the fall weather? I know I do, with the pumpkin everything. This smells so good. Not too cold. Get to pull out your sweaters, all of that cozy clothing that you have stored up in your closet. So cozy, it's so comfy, and I just love how oversized sweaters are. Do you guys like oversized sweaters or more fitted ones? Who doesn't love fall? Honestly, I absolutely love fall. Like pumpkin spice, everything from Starbucks. Their frappuccinos are really good with pumpkin spice. If you haven't tried it, go and try it. I didn't think I'd like it. I just fell in love. Autumn, like what is your favorite thing that you love about autumn that you can't live without? List one thing down in the comments below. Fall makeup tutorial. I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, one of my favorite palettes of all times. It has all the colors you would ever need. So let's start with this color right here. Fluffy brush and just blend that on the outer corner to blend that in on the crease. This would be a good transition color. I love the fall. It's not too hot, not too cold. This fall is all about that warm, cozy, orange, red fall colors. I'm going to go in with this red right here, starting from the outer corner in circular motion under that color that I just applied. Now it's autumn, so let's get out of our comfort zone and try new things. Going in with this dark brown. Be light with it. You could always add more, but it'd be difficult to take that color away. Just blend that out in the outer corner. Tap off that excess so it's not too strong. Back in with the same brush and the same dark red color. What screams autumn with a dark red color, browns and oranges. Just touching that color up. Oh wow, that is so much more brighter. You can see the difference. So bright, and this one's a little bit more dark from the brown that I used. And for all over the lid shade, I'll be using, oh, there's so many beautiful colors in this palette that's so hard to choose. Let's go in with this gold shade right here. I'm so not used to this style of makeup, of this autumn reddish, brownish, yellow, orange. If you see my videos, you know that I'm so basic. I like the simple taupes and browns, and that's it, because if you mess it up, it's not obvious. But I'm kind of loving this look. It's definitely out of my comfort zone, but it's starting to grow on me. Try things that you've never tried. Never expect that you would like it. You might think you hate it, but once you try it, who knows, you might actually like it. I'm going back in with a fluffy brush. I'm just taking that on the outer corner and blending that lid shade in. So it has like a seamless blend, not really of a harsh line. I can't wait until I finish this look, of the finished look of what this look would look like. Are you kidding me? When I do my eyeliner, does this ever happen to you guys? You do your eyeliner, you blink, and you accidentally got that transfer on the bottom of your eyes. Oh, that pisses me off so much. I'm back. My lashes are on. What do you guys think with the lashes on? Does it make a difference? Yes it does. And it looks so good with the lashes on. What's more fall than a dark lip with that autumn berries, just that chilly cold weather? This screams autumn to me. If you don't like dark colors, you could pick the color that you choose and change it out. Testing out how long this would last. through drinking, through eating, and all of that, testing it out. How often do you have to reapply this liquid lipstick? Bringing my lipstick along with me and then losing it, and I always lose my lipstick. So I like to apply at home and not have to bring it if I don't have to. And if it stays the whole entire day, I know that that is one of my favorite products. So I'll be testing that out. You want to see how well this goes throughout the whole entire day, how long it stays. I will link the video down below. Whoa, the sun is so bright now. Oh, and it's disappearing. The weather has been constantly changing. 1 second is so nice, so hot, so warm. Next second it's just disappearing behind the clouds again. Gotta love autumn. I do love autumn. The coziness of hot chocolate Starbucks when they come up with a new drink. It tastes so good. Have you guys tried the, what is it? What did I get the other day? The pumpkin spiced ice cap? No, fuck, that's not what it's called. That's that from Timmy's. Pumpkin spiced frappuccino from, right, that? It tastes so good. Oh shit, I put that way too far down. That's what changed into our fall outfits and reveal the fall-esque autumn coziness of all times. Still loving that candle. That candle smells so good. If you haven't checked out Bath & Body Works and their new fall scent candles, go and check it out. They have their soaps. They have everything fall scent. It absolutely smells so good. Oh my god. I'm loving this look. What do you guys think about this fall look? I personally, I'm loving this look. Hello, I'm changed. I love my sweaters being oversized. It just feels so warm and cozy. This is fall approved. So this is supposed to wrap up like a little Christmas present. Here's what this looks like up close. Love gray, goes with everything. I like to push it up above my elbow so it stays a little bit better. And my hair is a little bit of a mess right now. Haven't combed it yet. So the result is looking like this. A little bit frizzy, a lot of dead ends. Let me know, what is like your favorite autumn product that you cannot live without? Have you guys been to Bath & Body Works? That candle smells so good. Let me know down your thoughts below. Not to go there. I've made so many stops there, so I'll be doing a haul. I might have an addiction, and that is so bad. Too many things from them, but it just smells so good. Anyone can relate. Yes, no. I might have an addiction. I might have a problem. But it's not that bad. So, at least I don't think it's that bad. Maybe it is. Who knows?